List of fruits in the Philippines. Common name: Atis, sugar apple, anonas, reticulata, calamansi, Philippine lemon, citrus microcarpa, suha, pomelo, citrus grandis, santol, cotton fruit, sandorium, sampalok, tamarind, Tamarindus indicus, pinya, pineapple, Anonas commusus, pakwan, watermelon, Citrus vulgaris, guyabano, sorso, Anonas moricata, dalanghita, native orange, Citrus novalis, lanzones, lanson, Lancion domesticans. List of vegetables in the Philippines. Ampalaya, bitter melon, momordica, charancha, kalabasa, squash, Cucurbita maxima, upo, battle gourd, Lagenaria caesarea, talong, eggplant, Solanum meloquenia, pipino, cucumber, Cochonis sativus, labong, bamboo shot, Bambus espinosa, carrot, Daucus carota.